What if you didn't have to trade your time for a paycheck every day? Most people think financial security only comes from a 9-to-5 job, but there's a whole world of ways to make money outside the office, many of which let you earn while you sleep or work on your own terms. In this video, we're breaking down proven ways to make money without a 9-to-5, why they work, and how to start building real income streams today. Before we get started, if you want freedom from the traditional work grind, hit subscribe. This is where smart, alternative income strategies get explained. Freelancing your skills online. If you have any skill that other people need, you can turn it into money. Writing, graphic design, video editing, web development, social media management, the list goes on. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients worldwide who need your expertise. The best part is you set your own rates and choose your own projects. Start by creating profiles on multiple platforms to increase your chances of landing gigs. Your first few jobs might pay less as you build reviews, but once you establish yourself, you can charge premium rates. Many freelancers earn 6 figures working from anywhere. The key is consistency and delivering quality work. Creating and selling digital products. Digital products are game changers because you create them once and sell them forever. Think ebooks, online courses, templates, presets, stock photos, music, or software. Whatever expertise you have, someone wants to learn it. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, and Etsy make it easy to set up shop without technical skills. An ebook about meal planning, a photography course, or Lightroom presets can generate passive income while you sleep. The initial work requires effort, but once your product is live, every sale is nearly pure profit. Focus on solving specific problems for specific people. The more targeted your product, the easier it is to market. Starting a YouTube channel or podcast. Content creation isn't just for celebrities anymore. Regular people are building audiences and monetizing through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. You don't need fancy equipment to start. A smartphone and something valuable to say is enough. Pick a niche you're passionate about and know well. Consistency matters more than perfection. Upload regularly, engage with your audience, and improve with each piece of content. Once you hit YouTube's monetization threshold, ads start generating revenue. But the real money comes from sponsorships and promoting products you believe in. Creators in focused niches often make more than those with millions of subscribers because brands value engaged audiences. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means earning commissions by promoting other people's products. You share a special link, someone buys through it, and you get paid. It's that simple. You can do this through a blog, social media, YouTube, or email lists. The secret to success is trust. Only promote products you believe in and that provide real value to your audience. Amazon Associates is a great starting point, but higher-paying programs exist in almost every industry. Tech, finance, health, and education niches often have affiliate programs paying hundreds per sale. Build an audience, understand their problems, and recommend solutions. When done right, affiliate marketing generates passive income without inventory or customer service. Renting out your assets. You probably own things sitting idle that could make you money. Got a spare room? List it on Airbnb. Have a car you don't use daily? Rent it on Turo. Camera equipment, tools, parking spaces. There's a platform for renting almost anything. This approach works because you're earning from assets you already own. The startup cost is zero. You just need to ensure your items are maintained and you follow platform guidelines. Some people have turned single spare rooms into 5-figure annual incomes. Others rent out multiple cars and treat it like a full business. Calculate your potential earnings, consider the wear and tear, and decide if it makes sense for you. Offering online coaching or consulting. If you've achieved something others want to achieve, you can coach them through it. Fitness, business, relationships, career transitions, financial planning, people pay top dollar for personalized guidance. Unlike courses, coaching is one-on-one or small group, commanding higher prices. You don't need official certifications for most coaching niches, just proven results and the ability to help others replicate your success. Start by offering free sessions to build testimonials, then gradually raise your rates as demand increases. Many coaches charge between $100 to $500 per hour once established. You can conduct sessions via Zoom from anywhere. Package your knowledge into structured programs for a scalable business. Dropshipping or print on demand. Want to sell products without holding inventory? Dropshipping and print on demand let you run an online store where suppliers handle production and shipping. You focus on marketing and customer service. When someone orders from your store, the supplier ships directly to them. Print on demand works great for custom designs on t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and posters. Platforms like Printful integrate with Shopify seamlessly. Dropshipping covers almost any product category. The challenge is finding reliable suppliers and standing out in competitive markets. Success requires strong branding, excellent customer service, and smart advertising. Many people start this as a side hustle and scale it into full-time income. Investing in stocks, crypto, or real estate. This path requires capital upfront, but can generate ongoing passive income. Dividend stocks pay you regularly just for owning them. Real estate can provide rental income. Even crypto staking offers yields, though with higher risk. Start small and educate yourself thoroughly before investing serious money. Index funds offer diversification and solid returns. Real estate crowdfunding platforms let you invest in properties with just a few $100s. The goal is building assets that work for you. This isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about consistent, smart investing that compounds over time. Combine this with active income strategies, and you create multiple revenue streams. Building a niche website or blog. Websites still make money in many ways: display ads, affiliate links, selling products, or offering services. The key is choosing a profitable niche and creating content that ranks in search engines. When people search for solutions, they find you, and you monetize that attention. This requires patience because building traffic takes months, sometimes over a year. But once established, a niche website generates income with minimal maintenance. Write helpful, detailed content that answers real questions. Use proper SEO techniques to rank on Google. Monetize through a mix of ads and affiliate links. Some niche site owners earn thousands monthly from sites they barely touch anymore. Becoming a virtual assistant. Businesses and entrepreneurs need help with tasks they don't have time for. Email management, scheduling, customer service, data entry, social media posting. As a virtual assistant, you handle these tasks remotely and get paid well for it. No special degree required, just organizational skills and reliability. Many VAs start at $20 to $30 per hour and increase rates as they specialize. Some focus on specific industries like real estate or e-commerce, where they can charge premium rates. You can work with multiple clients or go full-time with one. The demand is huge because businesses would rather outsource than hire full-time employees. Making money outside a 9-to-5 isn't a gimmick. It's strategy, creativity, and persistence. Start small, stay consistent, and the freedom compounds over time. If this gave you ideas for earning on your own terms, like, subscribe, and share it with someone ready to escape the 9-to-5 grind.